Good morning, everyone. Just waking up. It's 7 a.m. Getting ready to go teach my boy Lat, one of my students. And it's a good morning. It's kind of cold. Wife went to work, so I better drop off my daughter at grandma's house. Yeah, she just woke up too. Yeah. No photos? No photos. No photos. She gets crazy sometimes. Yeah, she's a little wild like daddy. Dad life, baby. Gotta get her some freaking... Gotta get her bottle ready in the mornings. Not every morning. Mom's here sometimes in the morning because she works from home sometimes. But every now and then, she has to go into the office. She's a social worker here in Los Angeles. Very stressful job. Tough job. Definitely not like teaching jiu-jitsu. Oh, clear that off just a second. Let's get it. Bam. Lechita? Lechita? She gets crazy with the lechita. Okay. Hashtag Jiu-Jitsu Dad Life. When she's older, she's gonna be pissed at these videos. Maybe, who knows? Get that camera out of my face, Dad. She's big enough to hold the bottle herself now. Look, she's a big girl. Independent. Violet, you ready to go see Grandma? We're on our way to go see Grams. Oh yeah. The Beast. Of course, the stickers. Khalifa Jiu-Jitsu, baby. What's up? Get ready to ride this beast. Gotta open the garage door. Get my freaking finger out of the way.
Oh, really? I'm going to start off with what's up, Big Daddy?
You turn red fast.
Huh?
You turn red fast.
It's the niacin.
What the fuck is the niacin?
Niacin, it's a supplement. You get the niacin fluid.
What's up, baby? We're recording. Little private lesson right here.
White belt lives matter.
White belt lives matter. Hashtag white belt lives matter.
Not that anybody cares. Definitely feeling 51.
Yeah? Let me see if I can get a timer and record. Cause I don't know, man.
What were we saying?
I said. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You ran away. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Okay. I'm gonna get you. Coco Melon. She wants to watch Coco Melon. Her favorite.
Where's Coco Melon? Right here.